2, 3. Happy Wally Wednesday! Woo!
Hey guys, this is Willie Mandrell with Boston Wealth Builders, and I just wanted to say thank you to Alex and Harrison for inviting us out to their new condo conversion project in Chelsea, showing us the project, how they financed it, how they found it. Just want to thank everybody else for coming out and enjoying the morning with us. So hope to see you at the next event, and we'll take it from there.
Boston Wealth Builders is a great local group that focuses on knowledge and education in the Boston real estate market.
They're a great group. He really knows his stuff, and he brings out a lot of people who are very eager to learn, and that helps a lot. They explain every step of the process.
I'm Steven. I'm an investor out of Rhode Island. Alex and Harrison did a great job with this event and teaching us about the do's and don'ts of jumping into these properties.
My name's Edson. I'm an investor actually out of Tampa, Florida. And Steve here invited me out to this event. Met Alex for the first time and heard Harrison. He gave us a lot of great knowledge, and looking at this, what was a 3-family and now 3 condos.
All of our tile arrived. We were very specific with tile in every single bathroom. I think tile is one of the easiest ways to set your product apart and to kind of create differentiation across units. There's too many people using Home Depot tile. It's too much subway tile. Honestly, it's just boring. I made a point to every bathroom is actually individual. Every master bathroom is individual across every unit. Every guest bathroom is individual across every unit.
A lot of good information, and if you get a chance to check out one of these events, definitely do it. It's well worth it, definitely.
So when all the tile arrived, we spent a lot of time planning and laying out every single pattern on the floor for every single bathroom and detailing it. I'm here to tell you, I probably yelled a couple times to be sure that it was right, because it was really important to be sure that it was communicated well, that everyone really understood exactly what we were trying to achieve and the look that we wanted, because the tile can only be laid once.
So Harrison said if he yelled it, it would be communicated better. Right? Jerry!
We hope you enjoyed this week's Wollaston Wednesday. Please like, subscribe, and reach out to us.